In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix unable to pre-order GTA 6 Ultimate Edition on PS5. If your pre-order is not working, this is going to fix it for you. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. GTA sponsor. First things first, go ahead and tab over to the PlayStation Store from the PlayStation home screen. Go ahead and scroll down a little bit and you're going to see all of the options on here. You're going to see GTA probably on the home screen, most likely forever until the game comes out, but you're also going to see a search icon up at the very top. You could search for it as well. The point is you need to get on the Ultimate Edition screen. Once you're on this game page right here, the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure on the correct version. Go ahead and select these three little dots right here and make sure that it says Standard Edition. You want to go ahead and make sure that you are on the Ultimate Edition, which is $100 essentially, right? So make sure you're on here first. Then go ahead and select it and go to the purchase screen. If pre-order is not working, try restarting your PS5 first, and you should also check your internet connection or restart your router as well. From here, go ahead and review your payment method and make sure that your card number, billing address is all set as well, including the expiration date and other details are entered in correctly. If you're having issues directly on your PlayStation, you can also use the PlayStation app on your phone, or you can also use the PlayStation website on another device, whether it's a PC, computer, whatever it might be. Just make sure you're signed into the same PlayStation account because it will carry over. And if your card keeps failing, another option is to add funds with the PlayStation gift card or prepaid card. You can go ahead and do that by just returning the main store screen. Scroll up and then all the way over to these three dots right here. Select this. And then, of course, go ahead and add your funds from within here. The process is that simple. If nothing works, though, just go ahead and wait a little bit and then try again, and it should work. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.